Hello students, this video of synthetic fibers and plastics part 2 is brought to you by Aryabhat National Public School. In the previous video, we discussed about synthetic fibers and how synthetic fibers are made. Synthetic fibers are made from the small units that are called monomers. These monomers are joined together to form a polymer. Some synthetic fibers, some common synthetic fibers that we use daily in our life. Today we will discuss about them. In this, the first synthetic fiber that we are going to discuss is it is called artificial silk. Its name is rayon. This is rayon. It is an artificial fiber. It looks like it's similar to the silk. Silk is very costly, but those who want to wear cloths of silk but they are unable to afford natural silk, they can have this fiber, cloths made from this fiber, because it is similar to the silk. How this is prepared? It is a synthetic fiber, but it is obtained from the natural sources. The wood pulp is treated, chemically treated, to obtain this kind of fiber, and from this fiber the fabrics made is similar to that of silk. It is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood pulp. Wood is natural and it is obtained from the chemical treatment of wood, though it is a synthetic fiber. It looks like silk, that is why it is called artificial silk. It can be dyed into variety of colors. It is used for making dress material. It is mixed with, it can also be mixed with wool and cotton to prepare different kind of blend, and from this the carpets and bed sheets are made. It is a very useful synthetic fiber. The second synthetic fiber that we are going to discuss today is nylon. Every one of you is familiar with nylon. You have used nylon threads for these nylon threads are used in our homes for variety of purposes. Nylon is used for making cloths. Nylon ropes are used. It is Nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber that was prepared in laboratories. Its name, the nylon, how it got the name nylon. In nylon, there are five letters N, Y, L, O, N. Nylon was first prepared in New York, that is NEWYORK, and London, LONDON. The first letter of nylon is from N is from new, and second is Y, that is taken from York, and the last three letters are taken from the London, LON. This is the story behind the name of nylon. It is prepared, nylon is prepared by raw materials like coal, water, and air. These three raw materials are used for preparation of nylon. Nylon is one of the strongest material. It is it is lightweight. It absorbs very little water. It does not get wrinkles. That is why it is used for the variety of purposes. Have you heard parachutes? What are parachutes? Air troopers use parachutes when they jump from high altitudes. It is used in army. The army personnel use parachutes. The fighter planes, it is used. It is also used in commercial airplanes. Why? Because the nylon is very strong. It is one of the strongest material, lightweight material. It absorbs very less water, and it does not get wrinkles. It is also not, the bacteria or the fungus cannot attack this material. It is used for making parachutes, toothbrush, toothbrush bristles, paintbrush, seat belts, sleeping bags, etc. are made from nylon because it is very strong. Nylon ropes are very strong. A nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. It is very strong. The same, if you take a same thickness of nylon wire and same thickness of steel wire, the nylon wire, you will find that nylon wire of the same thickness is more stronger than the steel wire. These tests can be done in laboratories. The nylon polymer is made from the monomer amide. One amide, one amide, one amide, one amide, one amide. Like this, they are joined in chain and nylon fibers are prepared. One of the important synthetic fiber is polyester. We use polyester in our daily life. We use dress materials from polyester. We use different kind of bottles that are also made from polyesters. Polyesters are mixed with cotton and wool to make terrycot and terry wool that we use in our as our dress materials. Terylene and PET. Here I have already written that terylene and PET, that is PET, polyethylene terephthalate. These are the two most common type of polyesters, common examples of polyesters that we use in our daily life. Polyesters are made from petroleum products, and these are made from the repeating units of esters. Ester is combined together to make polyester. The small unit of esters are combined together to make the polymer polyester. It is very, polyesters are, if you talk about the properties of polyester, it is wrinkle free, it absorbs very little water, it is strong. And what are the uses of polyester? Polyesters are used for dress materials. Polyethylene terephthalate is most common polyester that is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires. Here you will find polyester is mixed with cotton and to form terrycot and wool to form terry wool. Terylene is used in making carpets and sailboats. The next common type of synthetic fiber that we use is acrylic. It is a synthetic fiber which looks like natural wool and is much more cheaper than wool. It is lightweight, soft, and warm. It can be dyed easily into different colors. It is resistant to moths and insects. It is used for making blankets, shawls, and sweaters. It is mixed with wool to make dress materials. These were the some common types of synthetic fibers that we use in our daily life. They were rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. And what are the characteristics of synthetic fibers that we will discuss now? Synthetic fibers have these characteristics present in them. Synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers. That already we discussed earlier, that if somebody wants silk dress material to buy, because natural silk is very expensive and he cannot afford that silk, then there is an alternate for him, that he can go for rayon. Rayon looks like it is similar to the natural silk and have the same type of properties of that the silk have, natural silk have. These are one of the characteristics of synthetic fibers, that they are cheaper than natural fibers. We can easily afford objects, dress materials prepared from synthetic fibers. The second property is that synthetic fibers are very strong and durable. For, by using this property, nylon wires, parachutes are made from synthetic fibers. The third property is that synthetic fibers absorb very less water and therefore they can dry easily. Next property is they are wrinkle resistant and they require very little care and they are easy to maintain as compared to natural fibers. If you take a cloth made from cotton and you take a cloth made from polyester, then you have to take very little care and it is easy to maintain the polyester cloths made from polyester. These synthetic fibers can be dyed into different kind colors. They are wrinkle resistant. Their strength is tensile strength. Synthetic fibers can withstand a lot of force without breaking as compared to the natural fibers. Their strength is high. Synthetic fibers are highly elastic. They can be stretched to some extent. This is why nylon is used to make socks. Nylon ropes are used that they does not break easily. They absorb less water and they are therefore the cloths made from synthetic fibers dry easily. They are wrinkle resistant, therefore they require less maintenance. These are the some characteristics of na- synthetic fibers. If something have some advantages, definitely there are disadvantages. What are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are not comfortable as natural fibers. Cloths made of synthetic fibers are not as comfortable as the cloths made from natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are highly inflammable. That is, they can catch fire easily. If somebody is wearing cloths made from synthetic fibers, it is highly inflammable, and if he is working in kitchen, he or she is working in kitchen, there are chances of catching fire easily. Therefore he or she have to take special care when wearing cloths made from synthetic fibers. Syn- Synthetic fibers are, they are not biodegradable. What is biodegradable? Biodegradable means they cannot easily decompose, they cannot be easily decomposed by natural processes as compared to natural fibers. The cloths made from natural fibers, or the items made from natural fibers, they are decomposed by natural processes, they are biodegradable. Waste from the uh, natural fibers, the waste from the synthetic fibers are not biodegradable, and therefore they cannot be decomposed by natural processes. They require some extra energy to decompose them. Synthetic fibers can cause skin problems like rashes and allergies. These are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Thank you for watching. Rest we will discuss in the next part of the video.